Hey guys, it's Scott with Travel by Air, Sea and RV, and I thought I'd give you a walking tour today of Jetty Park at Port Canaveral. It's a beautiful park right next to Port Canaveral. It does cost to get in. A day pass is $15 by car. Military day pass is $12. Brevard County resident annual rate is $25 per car. And the non-resident annual pass is $100 per car. I think you can also get like a 3-month pass, non-resident, for $75 per car. But this is the Picnic Pavilion, and it's very, very nice. Looks recently remodeled. The pavilions are high quality, very nice. I'll show you a picture of the picnic tables are, very nice. Looks somewhat recently painted. So here is the Picnic Pavilion. You've got a volleyball net out there. So you've got kind of a U-shaped picnic pavilion with the field in the middle with the volleyball court. But very nice. And if you're lucky, you get a nice view of a cruise ship there. But this is the Picnic Pavilion. And now we're going to walk over to the to the playground. And the picnic pavilions do have grills. Looks like they're charcoal grills. And what's nice is you're right on the inlet, so you can picnic right by the water. And you can watch the boats go in and out. You can watch the cruise ships go in and out. We got a nice sailboat coming in here. I don't know if you can see that in the distance, but it's pretty cool. So again, making our way over to the playground. Now the playground also looks like it's been newly remodeled. It's very nice. Got all sorts of equipment. You got what looks like a fort, but it looks like it's cordoned off for the time being. But it's a very nice playground, swing sets, and you got the look like the shredded rubber. So if your child falls, they won't get hurt too much. But very nice playground. More picnic tables. These picnic tables over here by the playground are a little bit more roughed up. They don't look as new as the picnic tables in the Picnic Pavilion. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. The picnic tables in the pavilion are very nice. They look pretty new. A lot of parking. So if you just want to come for the day and just get out a chair and watch the cruise ships go in and out, or watch a launch, you can do that. Nice little day trip here in Brevard County at Jetty Park. It's got a very nice administration building. It's got the bathrooms in there and offices. And as I say, a lot of parking. They do prevent admission to the park when the parking lot is full, but they have a huge parking lot and a lot of spaces, so I don't think that happens too often unless there's like a launch. So you should be pretty safe with the parking if you're coming over here for just a regular day when there's nothing really special happening. Got parking all over there. And one of the nice features about Jetty Park is the pier. Got a very long pier, fishing pier, pretty much. You can walk out, or it's just, you know, go out on the pier and look at the boats. I'll give you a quick look at that. Nice day out here today. It's hot. We got a storm rolling in though. There's that sailboat I was talking about. So you can see the fishing pier here. And one thing you will see here a lot are manatee and dolphin or porpoise. We've been here several times and we've pretty much seen a manatee or a dolphin each time we've come here. So we may get to see one today, may not, but they are very plentiful around here. I know we have a video of dolphins that we saw when we were taking a video of one of the cruise ships going out. They were kind of all around us. It was pretty cool. Here's looking back at the port. See the Mardi Gras there, Carnival Cruise Lines. But this is the fishing pier, pretty long. I'm not going to walk all the way out there, but you can. And as long as you pay to get into the park, your admission fee, you can walk out on this fishing pier. Now, one of the big advantages of Jetty Park is the beach. And I'll show you how to get to the beach here. One of the entrances is right off of the fishing pier here. So it is very close. I won't walk all the way out to the beach, but you just have to walk through the dunes and you're on the beach. So if you're coming to Jetty Park for the day, bring your beach umbrella and your beach chairs and your bathing suit, because the beach and the ocean is right here. And it's a very nice beach. Been on it before. They have lifeguards. You can see them there. But that is the beach next to Jetty Park. Walking back down on the fishing pier. Don't know if anybody's catching fish, but they may. So Jetty Park, if you're looking for a day trip, very neat place, especially from around 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. because usually on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you've got the cruise ships going out. And that's always a neat thing to watch. They're so huge and they're fun to watch going out. Everybody's waving and screaming and yelling, and we're screaming and yelling, and it's fun. As I say, we got a storm coming in. Might get some rain. We need the rain. So, Jetty Park. This area down here that I'm showing you right now is a great place to set up your chairs and either fish or have a picnic lunch and just watch the manatees, watch the dolphin, watch the boats coming in and out, watch the cruise ships coming in and out. You can bring like an umbrella. It's got to attach to your chair or something. You can't, this is all cement and rock, but an umbrella would help on a day like this, hot day with sun. people fishing and having fun. Now, right over here is where the launches are at Cape Canaveral and Kennedy Space Center. There was a launch last night of a Falcon 9 rocket with some Starlinks on it. So you have a front row seat if there is a launch and you're at Jetty Park. It'll probably be crowded though, but you'll have a great view. So just a quick little walking tour of Jetty Park, Port Canaveral in Brevard County. So if you like these type of videos, if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. Another boat coming in here. We got more coming up, and we'd love to have you along with us. Thanks a lot, guys.